Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Fascinating. Out. Yes. You're doing so good. Look at you. Okay. And there's the blinds. Yay. How about that? There's the great outdoors. And there we go. Okay, careful, honey. Now you gotta sit on your bike. Oh, is that like True's window? Yeah, that's like True's window. Okay. True has a nice big window, huh? Yeah. You're too big, girl. Just turn that thing around.